Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, starting today, Thailand has launched e-work permit process. So I'm gonna give you a walkthrough how you can register and apply. Of course, if you are eligible. And of course, I'm not gonna go for the full application because I don't want to put any test application in their system. So before I proceed further, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And just want to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this e-permit website of the government of Thailand. You can see in the URL. Now it's available in multiple languages. So default was Thai, that I switched to English. Now register for employers, foreigners, foreign workers, and their country. Fine. First is to select the user type. So check it who you are. So you are a Thai employer Thai agency proxy, but I go for a foreigner. Okay. What type of registration? I already have permit. I never had a work permit. Okay. Like you're going for the first time. This is just sample answer as per your case. And if you have, wow. Ah, I don't know why I can't read these terms and conditions and why they were not switched to Hindi. Oh, I use Google Translator. So now read all the terms condition, and once you are okay, click on accept terms condition. Then at the bottom you have next, go for next. So you're registering a new user, prefix, Mr. Name, English. Do it as per your own case, guys. Don't see there. Nationality, do it as per your own case. Born on birth date. Make sure you meet the date format. This is not my date DOB. Don't worry about that. Education level. Let's say bachelor. Work experience. Let's say how much should I give? Let's say 5 years. Telephone, if any, fill in. Okay, yeah, fill in. I'm leaving it because it's not mandatory, but provide that information I would have. Travel documents, if any. Document number, visa. It's fine. So we have like summary, password, confirm email successfully completed. Okay, fine. So document number, passport details, place of issue. Check your passport. It will be written there. Country, Issue date, check your passport. Make sure date format, I'm telling it repeatedly. Valid until again date. Visa details, type of visa, okay, whatever it is. Yeah, I'm skipping it because it's not mandatory, but definitely provide the details if they apply. Date of arrival in the kingdom and permission to receive permission from the officer at following. Okay. Date of arrival. Let's say you are coming sometime in December. Leave up to date. Okay. Let's say you want to stay there for 2 years. Address in Thailand. If you have definitely provide that. I'm just skipping it, but why to do that? So in this page, you're gonna do this. Okay. Check if everything is correct. Next is gonna be to set the password. Now you'll fill your password. Then it will send an email to you. Okay. And then your registration will be, I mean, when you go for confirm email, it will ask you to put your email address. You'll do, then it will send you a code verification that once you do, your registration will be completed. Okay. And from there, it goes further. So that is how the registration works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.